Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have for you the NK65 aluminum edition from NovelKeys. This is the version 2 and I was pretty lucky to get in the group buy. This is my first custom keyboard and I'm very excited to unbox it. This is how it looks outside the packaging. There's a really nice sleeve. So here we have the keyboard sitting inside a nice gray case with the NovelKeys logo. It's a hard case, and I really like it, especially because I'll be moving this keyboard between home and work. The zipper feels really good, by the way, really high quality stuff from NovelKeys. And there you have it, the NK65 in silver. Nicely packaged with a protective plastic covering. Aluminum is a soft metal and is easily scratched, but it shouldn't get damaged inside the hard case. So let's take a look at the included accessories. We have the hard case, and inside we have a card that talks about the VIA software that the keyboard uses. Also included is a USB-A to USB-C cable. It feels very plasticky, so it doesn't have your tech flex or your weave. This has a USB-C and USB-A gold-plated connector. It looks pretty durable. This is what I'm going to be carrying around to work, so it's perfect for that. Now let's take a look at the keyboard. So you can see the USB-C port up there. It's very solid feeling keyboard. It has two strips of rubber. The keyboard feels solid and the edges are very sharp. So be careful when you're handling this. We have a really nice typing angle, which is what made me gravitate towards this case. We have 3 indicator lights for caps lock, num lock, scroll lock. In addition, we have pre-installed stabilizers. I will talk more about them in my review video. Now let's take a quick look at the case. The case is really well built and I am sure that it can survive a couple of falls, but I'm going to treat this keyboard like my baby. There are 2 Velcro straps which securely hold the keyboard in place, and there is a compartment to keep your cables. As I mentioned earlier, the zipper is really well made and I don't see it breaking. So even though this is just an unboxing video, I thought I'd go ahead and weigh it for all of you. So first I am going to weigh the complete package, something that I'm going to be carrying every day. The scale is set to grams and we get around 1.6 kilograms, which isn't too bad. but the typing feel is worth carrying that keyboard around. And the keyboard itself weighs around 1.2 kilograms, so it's not too bad, also given the fact that it's made of aluminum. But I think that it should be light enough to carry to work. So there you have it, guys. This is the unboxing of the NK65 aluminum edition V2 from NovelKeys. I plan to release another video with an in-depth review. My keycaps and switches are still in transit, and it's going to take another week for me to get them installed and record a video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I plan on doing a review as well as a typing test. If you have any constructive feedback, please comment in the comment section below. This is my first video and I hope to keep getting better at it. Thank you very much and have a good day.